Hello and welcome back to Lawwiser. Today we are going to walk you through the process of filing a complaint in a consumer court in India. Whether you've been sold defective goods or received unsatisfactory services, knowing your rights and the correct procedure can make all the difference. Step 1. Understanding who can file the complaint. Under the Consumer Protection Act 1986, as amended in 2019, consumer is defined as any person who buys goods or avails services for consideration excluding those purchases for resale or commercial purposes. Step 2. Sending a legal notice. Before approaching a consumer court, the first step is to send a legal notice to the seller, manufacturer, or service provider. This notice should clearly state the issue, whether it's a defective product or unsatisfactory service, and should request a replacement, repair, or compensation. If the opposite party fails to respond or resolve the issue, you can proceed to file a complaint. Step 3. Filing the complaint. You can file a complaint in the district, state, or national consumer disputes redressal commission based on the value of the claim. For district forums, claims up to 1 crores. For state forums, claims between 1 crores and 10 crores. And for national forums, claims exceeding rupees 10 crores. The complaint must include details such as your name and address, the name and the address of the opposite party, the date of purchase or service, the amount paid, and the specific issue. Attach relevant documents like bills, receipts, and the legal notice sent to the opposite party. Step 4. Time limit for filing. You must file the complaint within 2 years from the date on which the cause of action arose. If the complaint is filed after 2 years, you will need to provide valid reasons for the delay, and the court may condone the delay if justified. Step 5. Court fees and documentation. Paying the requisite court fees, which is a nominal amount, and submit it with your complaint. Ensure that all documents, including an affidavit stating that the facts mentioned are true, are attached. Step 6. The relief that is available. Once the case is heard, the consumer court may direct the opposite party to remove defects, replace goods, refund the price, or even award compensation for any loss or injury that has been suffered. Filing a complaint in a consumer court is a straightforward process designed to protect you and your rights without the burden of heavy court fees or prolonged delays. With recent technological advancements, you can also file complaints online, making it even more convenient. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Lawwiser, we empower you with legal knowledge.